everyone needs one go-to updo for fall. Here's mine. So what you'll need for this one is a hair tie and some elastics. And what we're gonna do is just take our hair into a mid-high ponytail. I am going to leave some bangs out. Let me grab my hair tie. And then I'm gonna start fluffing it out. You want to just quickly comb through your hair. Make sure you don't have any tangles. And then what you do is divide your hair into 3 equal sections. You're going to grab one of your plastic elastics. I like to tie it around twice. And then you are going to make a little loop, pull that hair through, and then you are going to gently fluff that out until you're left with something that looks like this. And you're going to repeat this on the other 2 strands. So now you should have something that looks like this. Because my hair is so long, I'm going to actually repeat that process one more time. Pull it through and then fluff out. So now I have this top section and then this middle section, and then I'm just leaving this out. So now I have something that looks like this. Grab some bobby pins, and then what you do at this point is you grab the end of this elastic, you push it up, and you create this first loop. You pin that into place. Then you're going to do the same thing with the 2 other strands. Now what you want to do is the same thing with the remainder of your hair. So when I did the top loops, I looped them up and then down. For these, I'm going to grab where the elastic is, and then I'm going to loop down and then up. Once you've pinned the bottom half of your 3 sections, you're going to be left with something that looks like this. I personally like the way that the ends of my hair look, so I'm just going to leave them out like this. What I'm going to do now is just quickly style my bangs. I haven't done anything to them since yesterday, so I'm just going to try to polish them up a little bit. Spray them with some heat protectant. This next part is totally optional. You can work with what you have, but I am going to add just a cute little hair clip on mine just to give it a little pop. And that is it for this one. that's my fall updo. It's quick, easy, and honestly works for anything. Comment below if you'd wear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy hairstyles.